Before you pedal into your next adventure, pause for a safety check. Biking is exhilarating, but it's not without its hazards. Falls, flats, and unexpected roadside injuries lurk, but a simple checklist can shield you from the unforeseen. Top of the list, protective gear. Scrapes and bruises heal, but your head is precious. Strap on a helmet to guard against serious trauma. And if night calls, don reflective attire to become a beacon of safety in the twilight. Next, your bike's heartbeat, the tires. Proper pressure is paramount, so match the PSI to your tire's recommendation. A pump snugly fitted to your valve is your ally here. Learn the feel of well-inflated tires. It's a skill that pays off every ride. Finally, secure the essentials. Handlebars, chain, tires, tighten them just right. Overdo it, and you risk more than a wobbly ride. You risk the integrity of your bike. Make this checklist your pre-ride ritual, and you'll navigate the roads with confidence and care.